And to go with the LEDs, I have the resistors. And these are different than the last ones. Hopefully these won't burn a hole in the bottom of the... yeah. If you happen to order a fog light kit for your base model 2015, 2016, 2017 WRX, this is what it'll come with. This is one of those cheap, inexpensive, not expensive models. This was like $56. This is the smoked version. There's the, you know, yellow and the clear. Alright, so you get your light switch. Sounds good. It's got proprietary plug-in. It's got 5 things in the back. Maybe I'll get a closer look at that later. Tap in and some screws and some nuts to go with them. This is the, oh gosh, these are light. These are housings themselves. Comes with the H11 inside it. I'll be taking that out. I guess we'll take a closer look at that later. I don't know which way's upside down or right side up. But this is really light, and it's just plastic. Cool. That's the other one. This is all of the wires. This is the 5-pin that goes into the back of this. It only has 4 here. And this is 3 wires here. We got the relay, fuse. Yeah, so this is the main wires that'll go to the back of that, or the back of the LED. Well, you see where I'm going with that. The back of the bulb, ground, power. Okay. And here goes the weird thing. I wonder why Subaru didn't just make theirs. Yeah, this is slightly different. I don't know why Subaru didn't just make theirs removable here. But when I take it off, I'll find out if that part is removable at all, but I don't think it is. Here goes the replacement one. It is a lighter plastic than stock, but this has a hole at the bottom. This one looks way better than the other ones. There's particles and stuff on it, not from the floor. And a few zip ties, because you can never have too many of those. Came with 6. Alright, so that's everything that comes in the box. So I'll be installing this spring brake, which is next week. Got a whole lot of stuff to do on that front end of that car. Look at that. We're gonna look at it sideways. Now, both of these, this whole entire thing, broken. This doesn't work. Don't know why. This doesn't work. I think I know why. But don't worry, it's right there. The diode's right there. You probably didn't see it. It fell off of that. Now I have another pair. I'm not sure whether one was the old one and the new one, I don't know. But one was one I ordered from China and the other one was one I ordered from the United States. And those are in the car right now and I'm going to replace them with those. So fortunately, this side burnt through the bottom of the plastic. And the other one, of course, burned out. You saw that. I don't think I have it anymore. And then that one burned out. Not that side. That side. See, 2 of the LEDs went out. So this doesn't work anymore. Well, it might. Might as well find out. Hold on. Now I'm gonna take those out and take those out and take those out, and then I'll be done. I'm not showing it again. Why would I do that? Alright, so this only fits one way. And you got the sharp triangle, and then you got the side here. This side is on the pushing side here that has a little push pin here. So you want to put that on that side. Make sure this side's on the more empty side. That way this pushes against that to prevent it from moving up and down. If you do it the other way, it will move. There we go. And that forces it in its place and it won't move now. Also push in on that while you're pushing it in. That way it doesn't snap into place. Because you actually don't want it to do that. It might snap out. And now I got a nice long extension here. And I'm going to be really careful where I place it. When you get them, they come with a thing on top, so just make sure you take that off. Do I leave it on? Okay,
it comes with a thing on top of it, and apparently you could touch the... I wasn't gonna run these for a while anyway, so it's cool. It looks like this glass piece protects it from being touched because the LED's underneath it. So, anyway, I wouldn't touch it just to be safe, but it looks like you can get away with touching it. It's just a glass piece on the top. Anyway, you don't need to see this part. It only goes in one way, so even if you try and put it in the wrong way, it will not fit. So just make sure you put it in the right way, the way that fits. They fit it. Make sure that it can only go in one way. I don't want to say a thing and be wrong. Okay, it can't go in both ways. I gotta make sure. I wish I could tell which one's positive and negative. Oh, here we go. It's written positive and negative on this side, so just make sure you match it. And the resistor is touching metal this time. Yeah, you can't see this part anyway. Alright, that's a perfect location. If you look right there, you'll see I have the low beam connected there, and it's held on by the zip tie I have for the battery, and it's just kind of in there, and so the resistor is right here hanging. It's just in the air right there, you see it, and got the rest of that wire hanging around down here. I'll lay that there we go, and everything is in there. Like I said, I'm not going to run them right now, so video on how different they look will be later. But let me at least show you. There it is in there, red. There it is over there. You won't be able to see it once I put everything back together. All right, let me go. I got a lot of stuff to do today. And that's how they look after 2.5 years of usage. Well, one of them is 2.5 years of usage, and the other is 1.5 years of usage. So, or both of them are 2.5. No. One has to be 1.5 because one replaced the other recently. So it was only being used for about a year. Anyway, yeah, that's what they look like. I recommend if you're buying any today, make sure you get one that's 3 or 4 sided, or you can get the ones I got. Well, I don't even know how they look yet, so I'll find out in the morning. You won't, I will. The nice thing about Boxer engine is you can really see back here, and that's the hole I'm gonna need for running all those wires with the fog lights and other things. So look forward to that. It's been a year in the making.